We got our first dose of hard sailing as we were surprised in the sound. Alright, so today we are going hopefully over to Branford Harbor. The wind is currently coming across the bow. We'll straighten that out in a second. It's mostly out of the east-northeast, which means we motor out the channel and then we can pull the sails out. It also means we're going to probably tack towards Branford Harbor first, sail in, anchor, eat lunch, hang out, and then sail downwind back, because that's the easiest course to go. You can go ahead and take it off. The wind right now is on the vane blowing at 7 knots, so it's not the craziest wind, but it's supposed to be in the 10 to 12 knot steady range, which is like my sweet spot. I like that wind. You can go usually about 5 on that. Yeah, now we're pushing 9. It's 12:13. We've been having the engine running for about 15 minutes just to warm it up, and because ready to take those off. Yeah. What? Yeah, we're ready to go. See which way we drift, and then we'll take that course out. Looks like we're going to drift port. We don't know what just happened, but there is quite a bit of smoke coming up from over by the bridge, and we're actually on a starboard tack right now to get the sail out, and then we're going to swing around and give that tug a little bit of room to get out to the barge that's coming in. But that's alarming. That's a lot of black smoke. That's not just, and that's not in an area where you'd see a lot of.
Or is that the tugboat?
I don't know. No, it's probably, I don't know. It's not in an area where you'd expect it either. Not much over there from a big boat standpoint. All right, you want to try to get that sail out? So one way goes a little bit, one way goes a lot. It goes the same way no matter which way you turn it. Another thing interesting is that do not put your thumb or fingers between the rope and the winch. You're not probably doing anything wrong. It's probably you're doing it right. You're just
what the fuck? What did you do? How did you do that?
I don't know.
Oh, this is insane.
Yeah, we're sporty now, huh?
Yeah.
We are heeled over. How fast are we going?
6.2 knots.
6.2 knots, and what wind?
14.
14, nice. And there's a big tanker in front of us, so we're gonna have to make sure we miss that. We're on autopilot. We got the tunes playing. I got 38% battery left. Autopilot's adjusting. We got winds of 12.5. We're going 5.3, gusting sometimes to 15. When we speed up to 6.8, I think is the highest we've been. And then we got a nice little tanker up here heading into the channel. I don't think it's hooked up yet to the tugs. Yeah, this is sailing. This is like cool. Big old tanker sailing right by the port side, the green marker, putting me in 8 feet of water. We're gonna have to get closer in. We've got autopilot on. Doing 4 on 13, which isn't great. Autopilot's on 188. It's currently 185, but it keeps adjusting it. I know it's working. Little outside the channel, which is fine. If I want to go into the channel, I gotta have to tack, so I'm just gonna keep her where she is. Eventually we'll hit the channel, we'll be fine, and then we'll have to tack her away. There is some showers off to our south. You can probably see the gray clouds. Minor concern, there could be thunderstorms or gusty winds, but the weather service is not calling for any of that, so we'll keep going.
The waves are bigger when we're out in the break.
Yeah. So the service did call for 1 to 2 footers today. It's very calm inside the harbor. As we go outside, it's a little lumpy. We're eventually going to have to turn upwind. The wind's not, so I have the telltale here. The wind is coming still at not a close haul, but it's pretty close to a close haul. But if I want to follow the channel out, that's where we got to go. Now we might turn and head up, once we get far enough out, up the coast that way. And I think that's what we'll do. Whoa, it's a little lumpy. Wait for it to calm down before we were getting hit broadside too. I don't know if you can see the swells. Yeah, this is sailing. Telltales look good. Probably two. Ready to attack. All right. Pretty good. my outer telltales are perfect. The ones in the middle are good. The bottom ones are messed up. That might be normal. That's a pretty good tack.
Big?
Yeah. It was smooth. I didn't overshoot it. Normally what you do is you pick a point, but there's no point to pick at right now. Nice.
Somehow the fender got knocked over.
Do that. Do that until we tack it.
Yeah.
Starboard tack. So if they're coming this way and we're going this way, you think about the light up front. The green light is on the starboard side. They see the green light, that means they have the right of way. I know it was going to be this crazy. I wouldn't have brought the thing out.
Yeah.
Alright, so we are reefing the main, got to reef in the head sail. Our partner in crime over there totally took in their head sail. They're just, looks like they're on just a second reef of a main. We've had winds now over 20, which is what prompted the reefing. We're not sure if that's because of
Sprayed on that one.
got sprayed on that one. We got some rain coming down over there. Ahead of us looks still pretty decent, but we did not expect the swells. This was not forecast. The winds of 20 were not forecast. What are we now?
Speed?
Yeah, wind
4.3 knots. Wind is the same, 18.
16 to 18 on the winds, only going 4 knots. Some good rollers coming in now. That's a good one right there. We're learning. So far so good, safe. Might want to take the head sail in a little bit more, but we're not leaning that bad. We're leaning somewhat.
What?
We're getting used. Are you getting used to being heeled over?
Yeah.
Yeah?
The first time when we did it in the channel, I was freaked out, but I'm getting it now.
That's a big wave right there. Yeah, these are not 1 to 2. These are not 1 to 2 foot waves.
There's a couple of fives, I would say, mixed there.
We had one wave that came up above the rail.
Yeah,
As we went by.
We were on port tag, or port keel. I know, I'm getting back.
Well, we have Branford Harbor in our sights. It's only taken 3 hours to get here. I think it's about 7 or 8 miles, but we're not even close to getting in. We're probably another hour out. The winds are now in the 20s. We have barely any head sail out. We've got about half of the mainsail out, so that's keeping us going at 3.5, 4 knots. But the wind and the conditions of, yeah. At this point, the sails are down, the engine's on, and we're heading into the harbor. And we are coming into Branford Harbor now. Mermaid light in front of us. I get tossed around a little bit still, but it's much more sane in here. Wind's down to 9. Anchor looks like it's ready to go. So when we get across from those rocks, I think I'm gonna anchor there. That's where we anchored. That's where we practiced in class. We are in 7 feet of water currently, 9 feet of water, 10 feet. Oh, it's backing down on the anchor. We should be swinging into the wind. And I think there we go. There's 25 feet of chain. We need to have about 55 feet out, maybe 65 feet out, 75 feet out to anchor. So just keep letting it out. This is the first time we've ever anchored on this boat. Note as I back down, the boat doesn't back up, but it slides to the side. Yeah, we're doing good. Yeah, it's in.
Smacked by the
boom?
Yeah.
In your head?
I almost did.
Oh. Whew.
Yeah.
Good dose of sailing today.
Yeah. It's so crazy how much more calm it is.
Yeah. There's a thing in anchoring called scope.
Called what?
Scope.
Scope?
So if you just put the anchor straight down, it won't dig in to the mud.
You have to reverse, dude. This makes sense, right?
So you have to lay down chain on the reverse. What should have happened was you put the anchor down, you should have straightened out with the wind, but we didn't. And we didn't straighten out until I put it in reverse. That's how I knew it was in, because we didn't go back, we went sideways.
Okay, we're good.
And so, in order to keep the anchor at an angle that will grab the sand and the mud, you want the anchor to be basically flat. Right, so that's why you have all this line out. Yeah. So when we get to chain, you're gonna have to figure out where the anchor is And we'll have to try to get over it. I'll have to try to drive over it.
See what's broken on it? So like this edge right here, you can see it.
Huh.
It's not.
That's not good.
So I just have to do it by hand.
Oh, okay.
Or at least just pull it. Like,
Splay it out by hand.
yeah.
I'm guessing there's still enough slack in it that it's not pulling the boat around. So we're facing the wrong way.
Yep.
The anchor's behind us.
Yep.
Oh, I think it's going now. Yeah. Sailing downwind now. Waves are kind of tossing us into a potential jibe situation, so Brendan's working on it. Back to the channel in, I don't know, what, an hour? It was like really fast. So there's a nice wave right there. Wow. Wind is not as bad as before, but waves